So, welcome to today's IT Talk moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities in uncertainties for you all, with you all. So, let's get started.
So yes guys, there is this new course available on TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub, which is available for freshers or anybody who wants to learn programming from scratch. So basically it is called Introduction to Programming in C language, and it is offered by NPTEL. After you complete this course, you also get a certificate just how you got in the previous course that we discussed about. If you have not watched that video, then I will link it in the card right here, so you guys can go and check that out. And towards the end of the video, I'm also going to step by step tell you as to how you can explore the other courses that are available on this platform, because there are so many comments related to how you guys are not able to register. Although this is super easy, we are going to explore step by step as to how we register as a learner, then how we explore the free courses that are available, and we are going to also explore the paid courses and the categories, everything. So first of all, let me talk about this course. So everything is mentioned here. I will leave the direct link of this course in the description below if you're interested in this particular course. So for every course that is available there on the platform, you will see all these details as to what you will learn, how much duration it is required from your end, and about the course, everything, the summary, the syllabus. Now I understand for a lot of freshers who have passed out from computer science or IT background, you guys must be aware of C programming basics already. So it is okay if you want to brush up your skills and get a certificate. It is okay if you do not want to do it. So there is no prior exposure needed to programming if you want to do this particular certification. Towards the end of the course, you will be able to write medium-sized programs comfortably in C language. So the course syllabus is given and the certificate will be like this, and it will be TCS certified. If we move towards the end, module wise syllabus is also given, so you can check out like what you're going to learn throughout. You can check out the FAQs wherein you'll know that what are the frequent queries that students like you have. So for example, a lot of you might come and ask that if the certificate associated with the course is recognized. So of course that it is said that it is a verified certificate that you are going to receive. And can I get a job after completing this course? So of course this is not sufficient to get you a job, but this is a valuable additional certificate that will show up in your resume. So I hope these two major queries that you guys have every time are answered in the video itself. Now let's move on to how we actually subscribe, register ourselves, and explore the platform as to what all free courses are available, what all paid courses are available, what are the categories and everything. So there were some comments as to you guys are not able to register yourselves. So it is simple, no rocket science. Just click on the link given in the description below. Then whenever you'll subscribe on the course, you will get this pop-up. So I have chosen to continue signing in with my Google account. It is so simple, it is no rocket science. Still I'm explaining this process for people who were not able to register. Suppose that your profile will be successfully created and you are already registered guys, and you can see the label learner over here. So you are signed in as a learner, so you can explore the whole digital learning platform. Now let's scroll down and you'll be able to see the popular free courses that are available. So when you click on browse more, you will be redirected to the catalog wherein you can see so many courses that are available, and you can browse by the type, the category, and also if you choose to choose the free courses or paid courses, like that you have several categories, so you can easily select. And you also have the search bar. So for example, if you want to search the course C programming course that we just discussed, so you can see the second course is the course that we're looking for, but the similar courses, the free courses that are available are also showing up. So isn't it a very simple platform? I found the UI and everything working fine. I didn't really find any issues. So let me know if you guys have any further things that you want to discuss in the comment section, any queries, let me know. By the way, you should not have any more problems here, so you can simply start learning any of the course that you want. Also, just like we have in Skillshare platform, they have this option of creating lists of course that you're interested in. Similarly, you can click on these hearts that are available in every course, so you can simply put it in your wish list and you can keep on learning. So I found this platform really useful. One last thing I would like to tell all the freshers who are watching this video, that it is useful for you all to make use of such platforms that are available right now. During this lockdown period, they are coming up with free courses for a reason, because after some time when you'll sit for interviews and people will ask you that how did you make use of this period, so you'll have something to say and you will have your skills upgraded, you will have certifications as proofs. So this is quite important, I guess. And if you have any queries, as I keep telling all the time, comment below, we'll talk.
So yes guys, this was it for today's IT Talk moment. If you found the video useful, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section. And comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.